Have you ever looked at a drop of pond water and seen just water? Well, what if I told you that in that single drop, there's a hidden universe, a bustling city of bizarre and beautiful creatures locked in a constant, epic struggle for survival? Today, we're diving deep, shrinking down past what the eye can see, to explore the invisible world of microscopic predators. Beneath the surface of every pond, every puddle, and even in the soil beneath your feet, a microscopic safari is happening right now. It is a world where the hunters are single-celled assassins, and the battles are fought on a scale 1,000 times smaller than a grain of sand. These tiny predators might be invisible, but they are the silent guardians of our planet, the miniature janitors and regulators that keep ecosystems in balance. Without them, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. So, let's take the plunge. Imagine you're now smaller than a speck of dust, floating in what seemed like a clear drop of water. Suddenly, it's not clear at all. It's a vast, three-dimensional space filled with shimmering particles and strange, alien-like organisms. Some dart around using whip-like tails, others glide with an eerie grace, and some spin through the water like living tops. This is the domain of protists, rotifers, and amoebista, true rulers of the microbial kingdom. Let's meet one of the most famous, yet most misunderstood hunters, the amoeba. It might look like a simple, shapeless blob, but don't be fooled. The amoeba is a master of ambush. It doesn't have eyes or ears, but it senses its surroundings, slowly extending parts of its body, called pseudopodia, or false feet. When an unsuspecting bacterium or smaller protist drifts by, the amoeba's pseudopodia flow around it, trapping the victim in a deadly embrace. It then pulls the prey inside its own body, creating a tiny bubble where it slowly digests its meal. It's a hunting strategy that is both incredibly simple and brutally effective, a perfect showcase of nature's ingenuity. Now, let's turn our attention to something with a bit more flair. Meet the ciliates, the speedsters of the micro-world. A perfect example is the slipper-shaped paramecia. Its entire body is covered in thousands of tiny, rhythmically beating hairs called cilia. These cilia act like microscopic oars, propelling the paramecium through the water with incredible speed and agility. It zips through its environment like a miniature torpedo, searching for food. Some ciliates are filter feeders, using their ciliate to create a vortex, a tiny whirlpool that sucks in bacteria and algae. Others are more aggressive, using specialized structures to literally harpoon their prey. Watching them under a microscope, their movements seem so deliberate, so coordinated. It's hard to believe they're just single cells. But the microscopic hunt isn't just for single-celled organisms. Let's level up and meet the rotifers, the wheel animals. These are true multicellular animals, complete with a tiny brain, a stomach, and a nervous system. Yet many are no bigger than the single-celled paramecium we just met. Their defining feature is a crown of cilia at their head that beats in such a way that it looks like a pair of spinning wheels. This corona serves two purposes. It allows them to move, and more importantly, it creates a powerful current that funnels food directly into their mouths. They are voracious eaters, consuming everything from algae to smaller rotifers. They are the microscopic sharks of the pond, a testament to how complex life can be, even at this minuscule scale. From this slow creeping terror of the amoeba, to the high-speed chesses of ciliates, and the swirling vortexes of rotifers, this hidden world is a non-stop drama of life and death. These tiny predators are not just fascinating curiosities. They are a vital part of the global food web. They control bacterial populations, recycle nutrients, and serve as food for larger creatures. Every time you see a clear, healthy stream or a thriving lake, you have these invisible hunters to thank. They are the unsung heroes, the microscopic lions and wolves that maintain the health of our world, one cell at a time. So the next time you're near a pond or a puddle, take a moment. Remember the invisible drama unfolding within it. There's an entire universe of life just waiting to be discovered. Thank you so much for joining me on this microscopic safari. If you found this journey into the unseen world as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the wonders of our planet. See you in the next one.